Lika ngomunye umhlathi ke manje kuNomkhosi kanti Undlovu is enjoying being umkhululi and receiving more money than uSiphamandla. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Umkhokha from the 4th to the 8th of November 2024 on Monday. Nomkhosi's quiet evening shatters when an entire family storms into the house, declaring their unexpected return. Kapsile's heart start to betray her. Manzimande makes serious accusations on Tuesday. Kulegani's branch collect more money than Spa's branch. Undlovu and his family takes up space and cement themselves at the mission house. Kapsile and Lwazi go on a date and they bond on Wednesday. Nomkhosi fight tooth and nail Ntuthuko in an attempt to keep the church from Undlovu's greedy pulse. Manzobe offers differ the church. Kapsile and Lwazi share their first kiss on Thursday. Nomkhosi is desperate to turn over a new leaf. The vultures cycle Kulegani's vacant throne. Kapsile is ambushed by Jabulile on Friday. Nomkhosi finally packs and leaves. Kapsile learns that she's trending for all the wrong reasons and decides to have the best metric dance of her life. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.